Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I'll show you how to get a brand new streaming app on your device. First, search for Downloader on your home screen and install it. Before opening, go to Settings, then My Fire TV or device and find About. Click your device name several times until it says you are a developer. In Developer Options, turn ADB debugging on and enable Install Unknown Apps for Downloader. Now, open Downloader and type unlinked.link. Download the APK and click Install. Once done, delete the installer to save space. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Now go back to your device system settings. Open Developer Options and click Install Unknown Apps. Find the App Installer utility tool we just downloaded and turn it on. Go to the very end of your application list and open this utility tool. Click to add a new library. You will be prompted to enter a store code. Enter the code, Fire Media, shown on screen and hit Next. This brings you to my personal tech vault filled with over 50 applications. Before we download anything, you must use a VPN when using third-party apps. I highly recommend NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your device. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. In the library, download NordVPN first. Click Download, then Install App, and confirm the installation. Next, look for the brand new application called Reason. This is the app with the massive variety of content. Click Download, click Install App, and confirm. Hit your home button and scroll to the end of your apps list. To bring these to the front, hover over the utility tool, hold the center button on your remote, and click Move to Front. Do the same for the VPN app and the Reason app. Now they are easily accessible right on your home screen. Never open third-party apps without turning on your VPN first. Open the VPN app and log in. If you do not have an account, use the link in the description to pick a plan. Once logged in, highlight the green Connect box and click the center button. Click OK if a pop-up appears. When your status turns green, you are fully secure and anonymous. Hit your home button, open up the Reason app, and enjoy thousands of free movies and shows. If you enjoyed this guide, please make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to TechVibes for more awesome tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.